Hi guys, great work. I'm super excited now because we are about to finish the data visualization section. So far, you have done a great job. It's time to practice and test the skills that you have learned in the previous lectures. In this Seaborn exercise lecture, we are going to use three datasets: TIPS, IRIS, and another very famous Titanic dataset. These datasets are included in the Seaborn's built-in dataset library. You have to do some exploratory data analysis using Seaborn and present useful plots for data visualization. Let's have a quick overview on the questions. So the first thing, he is importing Seaborn matplotlib and setting matplotlib inline. So the first thing he's asking for, set style to white, load Titanic, TIPS, and IRIS dataset. I hope now you can easily load the built-in datasets from the SNS dataset library. Moving forward, he is asking for the heads of all the datasets here. And then recreate the plot below. Use TIPS dataset. Hint is pay attention to X and Y labels. So here X is day, Y is tip. So the legend is male and female, and he's asking to recreate this plot. Moving forward, so recreate the plot below, use tips dataset. Hint is again pay attention to X and Y label. So once again total bill and tips. You can see this is a joint plot here. And moving forward, now he's asking to recreate a dist plot here. Use the Titanic dataset. Once again, pay attention to X and Y labels. So moving forward, once again, he's asking for this plot where using the Titanic dataset, once again, pay attention to X, Y labels. So X is class and Y is age. In the next plot, he's asking for recreate the plot below using Titanic dataset. Pay attention to X and Y labels. X is fair and Y is age in this case. In the next plot, he's asking for recreate the plot below, use Titanic dataset. So once again, our class is along x-axis, age is along y-axis, and you need to create this plot. So now he's asking for swam plot using Titanic dataset. So you have to recreate this plot here. So moving forward, can you plot how many male and female were on Titanic? Separate them based on their class. So you have to recreate this plot once again. So in the next one, recreate the plot below using IRIS dataset. Hint is pair grid. I hope you can create this plot now. It's very simple using a single function in Seaborn. Moving forward, recreate the plot below, use Titanic dataset. Hint is facet grid. So you have to use facet grid to recreate this plot. So moving forward, another very simple plot he is asking to recreate, which is actually a heat map, and hint is matrix plot. You have to use Titanic dataset here, and if you notice, you have to put these values on your heat map as well. So I'm sure that you can do all these tasks by yourself. Try them first before you move on to the next lecture, where we are going to solve these tasks one by one. See you in the next lecture. Good luck.